The Amazon Basics Ceramic Space Heater is a compact and portable heating option tailored for smaller areas like office desks, bedrooms, or even camping tents. By Amazon Basics, this product belongs to the space heater category and is meant for indoor use, ensuring warmth and comfort on cold days. Its lightweight design and efficient heating performance makes this mini heater a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a practical and effective way to stay warm. This space heater has a sleek minimalist design, measuring 5.8 inches deep, 3.4 inches width, and 6 inches height, and weighing 1.4 pounds, making it easy to place on tables or desks. Its predominantly white color and attractive design suit various interiors. The metal front radiates heat while the sides and back remain cool, ensuring safe operation. The Sizzle Dynamo is perfect for snug spaces. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, it's as portable as your favorite snack. But safety first, it automatically shuts off if it takes a tumble, giving you peace of mind with this top-notch tip-over protection. Plus, its rocking ceramic calls for a super speedy heater. User experiences indicate that this heater is ideal for attic rooms with many, noting a cozy atmosphere even in sub-zero temperatures, as it delivers consistent warmth over extended periods. While it may not be suited for larger areas, it efficiently heats up small spaces such as desk areas or RV bedrooms. Users particularly valued its quick heating ability and the lack of unpleasant odors during extended use. However, it's important to highlight that the heater is designed to produce a gentle flow of heat rather than offering instant warmth when standing nearby. Overall, its appealing and contemporary design seamlessly blends into different settings while consuming less energy. So why wait? Click on the description for the purchase link and get one for yourself. If you'd like to see more review videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.